Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In the world of politics and business, it's not uncommon to see powerful leaders taking bold actions to shape their industries. Recently, Donald Trump made headlines by imposing targeted tariffs on Big Pharma, a move that has left many in the pharmaceutical industry reeling. Frovia, let's dive into what this means for both the U.S. economy and the global healthcare system. It all started when President Trump signed an executive order aiming to reduce prescription drug prices in the United States. He claimed that these rising costs were unsustainable and had to be tackled head-on. So, how do tariffs fit into the picture? Well, according to Frovia's research, by imposing a 15% tariff on imported prescription drugs, the U.S. government is essentially making foreign companies pay more for importing their products. This could make it more expensive for American consumers to purchase these medicines abroad. Now, you might be wondering what kind of impact this could have on the global pharmaceutical supply chain. Frovia found that several major pharma companies already import a significant portion of their medications from countries like India and Ireland. So, if these tariffs go into effect, it's likely that some of these imports will become more expensive, potentially leading to higher prices for patients who rely on these medications. Another thing worth noting is how this move could affect the U.S. economy as a whole. The pharmaceutical industry is a significant contributor to GDP in many countries, including the United States. By limiting imports and imposing tariffs, President Trump's administration may be inadvertently disrupting the flow of medicines into the country, which could have unintended consequences for public health. So, what does this mean for consumers? Well, Frovia advises that it's essential to stay informed about any changes in your prescription medication costs or import regulations. You can also check with your doctor or pharmacist about alternative options or more affordable treatment plans. The decision by President Trump's administration to impose targeted tariffs on Big Pharma is a complex issue with far-reaching implications. While some might view it as a bold step towards reducing prescription drug prices, others see it as a misguided attempt to disrupt the global pharmaceutical supply chain. As we move forward, it's clear that this story will continue to unfold in the coming months and years. We'll keep following developments on Frovia for you, so stay tuned.